Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about a lesson Plant Physiology, Unit 19. Unit 18 lesson we didn't see, so we next week we see that in a Unit 18 lesson. Okay, ma. So, what is plant physiology? So, you know that plant is a living organism. Physiology means function. Okay, study of the function we called as in a physiology. So in this lesson, plant what are the function it is doing, among that few example only we are going to study. Okay, you know that plants and animals are living organisms. So how it is in animals need a food, shelter and reproduction, likewise the plants also doing that in a prepare a food and locate that in a one place and reproduce. Okay, among that, but it is moving, plants moving or not, it's not moving, yes Tama, but it is having that in a some small movements. So what are the movement means? See that Mimosa putica is a touch me not plant. You see that in a total siringi in Tamil, நம்ம டச் பண்ணோன்னா அதோட லீவ்ஸ் என்ன ஆகும், ஃபோல்ட் ஆகும். ஓகேயா? ஸோ ஆஃப்டர் ஃபியூ மினிட்ஸ் ஆஃப்டர் இட் இஸ் கம்மிங் ஆஸ் இன் அ நார்மல் பொசிஷன். ஓகேம்மா? So that means it is having us in a very small movements. Okay, among that in a foreigner senses. Okay, ma'am. Likewise, Helianthus annulus. Helianthus annulus sunflower. It's a scientific name for in a sunflower. Likewise, Mimosa putica also touch me not plant. Scientific name. Okay, ma. So it is sunflower. You know that what is a speciality means, what is the direction having in a sun, the same manner the flower also it is moving. Yes, ma. So it is moving from the inner east to west. Why it is moving likewise? Because it is outer some external stimuli. Okay, outer onwards some stimuli, it trigger that in a trigger means தூண்டி விடுறது. Okay, trigger that in a movement, some movements. Okay, yeah. So plants likewise it's not moving as in a very faster, but it is also having that in a some movements. So what are the factors it is affecting that means? So why based it is moving means for light, for gravity, for temperature. So likewise this like that it is moving. So and also we are going to study in this lesson onwards what is photosynthesis. Okay, then transpiration and also movements of the plants we are going to see. Okay, ma. The first one movement we called as in a trophism. Okay, trophism. What is trophism? Trophism is a unidirectional movement. Okay, of the whole or part of the plant towards the direction of stimuli. Okay, which one trigger எது தூண்டி விடுறதோ அதான் நம்ம stimuli நேம் பண்ணுவோம். Okay, so unidirection means it is a one way direction. Once move பண்ணிடுச்சுன்னா ரிப்பீட்டடாக அதோட ஒரிஜினல் பிளேஸ்க்கு என்ன பண்ணாதுன்னா இட்ஸ் நாட் கம் டு தட் இன் ஒரிஜினல் original position. Okay, ama. So and also it is having that in a whole plant it is moving or some parts of the plant alone it is moving. Okay, so that's we called as a trophism. So one more time recall that trophism is a unidirectional movement of a whole or part of a plant towards the direction of stimuli. Okay, so it is we called as a trophism in plants. Okay, among that based on the nature of the stimuli, which one trigger that based on the stimuli, it is we are classified that in a 5 category of trophism. Okay, trophism means what? It is movement, one directional movement. It is not written to that in a original. Okay, see that the first one we are going to see that in a first we recall that in a name: phototrophism, geotrophism, hydrotrophism, thigmotrophism, chem- chemotrophism. So what is that means? Movement of the plant towards light. Okay, light base panni. Photo means you know that light. Okay ma. Trophism means movement. So light movement, it is um, part of a plant. It is towards light means light base panni um, movement it is happen means that is we called as in a phototrophism. Example, shoot of the plant. Okay, so anywhere do you able to see that in a shoot வந்து கிரவுண்டை பார்த்து க்ரோ ஆகிறத நீங்கள் இந்த பிளேஸில் பார்த்துருக்கீங்களாமா? இட்ஸ் நாட் பாசிபிள் டு see. ஓகே, ஸோ அதுக்கு தான் ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஆஃப்டர் வி see that in these types we see this one. Okay, geotrophism. Geotrophism means, geo means that is in a earth, geography, study of the earth, geology, that's like that we are studying, you know. Geo means earth. Okay, geotrophism means, so why you know that you are able to predict? Yes, the response to gravity. Okay, earth having in a gravity, so gravity based, gravity what it is doing ma, gravity means that is it is having a power of earth, it attract that in all the object to the earth, that is we called as in a gravity. Yes tama. So geotrophism means the movement of the plant, it is towards that in a, that is in a response to the gravity means that is we called as in a root of. Example is a root of the plant. Next one, hydrotrophism, movement of the plant, part of a plant towards the water. Okay, water base பண்ணி இதோட movement இருந்ததுன்னா that is we called as in a hydro means water. Okay, so what that is we called as a hydrotrophism. Example, root of the plant. You know that root it is always going for in a water only. Okay, next one, thigmotrophism. Thigmo means touch. Okay, so movement of the plant part due to touch, that is we called as a thigmotrophism. Example, climbing vines, that is in a vine climbers it is response to that in a for in a touch, எந்த பிளேஸில் வந்து டச் கிடைக்குதோ ஸோ அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா கிளைம்பர்ஸ் வந்து க்ரோ ஆகும். கிளைம்பர்ஸ்னால் என்னமா, கொடி. சரியா? ஸோ எந்த பிளேஸில் வந்து அதுக்கு டச் கிடைக்குதோ அந்த பிளேஸை ரீச் பண்ணி என்ன ஆகும்னா கிளைம்பர்ஸ் இட்ஸ் க்ரோ, தட் இஸ் இன் அ thigmotrophism. ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் டு தட் இன் அ டச். Hemotrophism means response towards the chemicals. Okay, that is it's happen in that in a, you are study that in a reproduction. So அதில் ஓவரி நம்ம ஸ்டடி பண்ணியிருக்கோம் parts of the plantல. So what happened ma, so it is pollen having that is in a ovary having means parts of the plant we have studied this one. That is this is a gynoecium. The tip we called as a stigma, style, ovary. Do you have in a mind? So ovary inside ovules are there. So pollen of the plant it is attached to that. So what happened means the pollen it is always move to that in a reach the growth of that in a pollen tube. ஒரு டியூபை வந்து உள்ளே க்ரோ பண்ணும். இட் இஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் மூவ் டு தட் இன் அ place of in a ovule only. That's we called as in a hemotrophism. Okay ma. So trophism is generally termed positive if growth is towards a signal. Okay, so trophism, for example, which one it is எதை ஃபேஸ் பண்ணி க்ரோ ஆகுதோ அதை நம்ம என்ன நேம் பண்ணுவோம்னா பாசிட்டிவ் நேம் பண்ணுவோம். which one away from the signal means that is we called as a negative. Okay, yeah. For example, shoot this is an example for you, shoot. So what happened, we think that plant, we keep that in a plant part. Here means, so இப்படி place பண்ணியிருக்கனால தான் plant it is always grow likewise. shoot வந்து மேலே grow பண்ணுது அப்படின்னு நம்ம திங்க் பண்ணுவோம். பட் ஆக்சுவலி வாட் ஹேப்பன், we keep it that in a reverse also, the shoot it is having in a bending. Okay, and it is horizontal manner we keep it also. It is what happen means, it is what happen means it is moving to that in a phase light only. Okay, so what we said, shoot means stem. Okay, stem it is always grows to face the light and opposite to the gravity. So gravity எர்த்துக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டாக தான் க்ரோ ஆகும். ஸோ வாட் வி மென்ஷன் மீன்ஸ் இட் இஸ் பாசிட்டிவ் டு ஃபோட்டோட்ரோஃபிக் அண்ட் நெகட்டிவ் டு ஜியோட்ரோஃபிக். ஓகேம்மா. ஸோ likewise shoot system of a plant is positively phototrophic, that's only it is given, negatively geotrophic. root system is negatively phototrophic. ஏன்னா ரூட் வந்து எப்போதுமே லைட்டுக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டாக தான் க்ரோ ஆகும். ஓகேயா, ஸோ இட் இஸ் நெகட்டிவ்லி ஃபோட்டோட்ரோஃபிக் அண்ட் பாசிட்டிவ்லி ஜியோட்ரோஃபிக். ஓகேம்மா. ஃபேஸ், அதை எதை ஃபேஸ் பண்ணி போகுதோ அது பாசிட்டிவ், எதுலேருந்து அவே போகுதோ தட் இஸ் நெகட்டிவ். ஓகே, ஸோ ஹியர் இந்த ரூட் மட்டும் எக்ஸப்ஷனல். ரூட்டில் வந்து திஸ் அலோன் இட் இஸ் அன் எக்ஸப்ஷனல் ஹாலோஃபைட்ஸ். ஸோ ஹாலோஃபைட்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் இட் இஸ் ஹேவிங் தட் இன் சதுப்பு நில காடுகள்னு சொல்லுவோம். தட் இஸ் that place, what happened due to that in oxygen scarcity, roots it is in a negatively geotrophic. That means it is always space that in above that in a ground only. Okay, yeah, for absorption of oxygen. Okay, so that is we called as in a root, we called as in a rhizobora. Okay ma. So 180 degree always root grow likewise means, but it is grow as in a likewise. So 180 degree it is having that in a bending for respiration, for taking a oxygen.